I'm in the park with Susan Kadish today. And Susan, we're looking here at surfaces. And I'm going to ask you to talk about surfaces in your work. Why, for you, it's something organic. These are things, are monuments that are a temporary exhibit in Central Park. And they're very organic. And I know your work is also about being organic and about something almost like a volcano exploding from within.
Well, I am looking at these pieces of marble, knowing that they came from years and years of growing out of the earth. And I feel that way about my pottery. Pottery was used for cooking and drinking and all kind of things way back to Jesus Christ even. My work is clay, and my clay also came from the ocean, from the chemical part of how clay is made, but I have turned my clay into total natural. I developed a pattern of sterling silver put onto the piece of work, and this being on the piece of work, when it comes out of the kiln, it explodes with magnificent silver bubbles all over it, and it looks like it's growing, and it makes you feel very good. You want to touch it, you want to feel it, you want to know what it is, and that's a good thing. Sculpture should be touched and felt. And in my work, I love to look at other artists' work. I love seeing all of this natural stuff coming from the hills of Pietrasanta and Carrara, and from Russia, and from it. What a wonderful world we live in, knowing that these things come up.
So how does this make you feel?
This makes me feel like I'm growing, like I'm in there. This is growing and getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and God knows where it eases off. It doesn't. The world and the world below and the mountains continue to grow with this stuff, and that's how I feel about my pots, because my pots, each and every one different and growing every time I make another one. Sometimes it grows as the silver turns to gold after many years, and it can be cleaned easily with a liquid, but it is growing. It's not just staying there as a shiny piece of silver.